Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from DP Addiction Adventures, and we are unboxing drill trays. I have 3 packages from 3 different companies, and I can't wait to unbox them for you. So I'm going to flip this camera around. If you know me, you know I love drill trays, and I have 3 contenders for my favorite companies. So let's open them up and see what's inside. Welcome. As I said, I have 3 packages to open from 3 different drill tray companies, and I have to make room and organize, and these have been sitting here waiting to be opened for the last week or so. Most of these, I believe, are pre-Black Friday, and I just haven't gotten to it. As some of you know, our family was struggling with the COVID bug, and it's just been crazy. All right, so I love, please do not change unless you have to, receiving these teal aqua envelopes from Archer's Arts. As you know, she's one of my favorite companies for drill trays. I am collecting them, and she had this color of the month, and I got it right before. It's so pretty. It's this beautiful red, and it has these sparkles, and I have the minis, as you can see right here. This one was January 2020. This one is October, November, or September, October, something like that. I always get a lid because I love to use the lids, and I bought an extra lid because I have one I didn't buy a lid with last time, and so that's why I have 2 lids. But this is the mini, and I have several. Oh my gosh, so many. I have a picture I'll insert in here. That's most of them, but not all. And I need to, before the end of the month, buy the December color, which is beautiful purple, similar to this. I can't wait. I just can't wait. That was my dog running in the background. All right, so let's dive in here. This one is a new up-and-coming company off of Etsy. Oh, Jen Archer, there's a link down below. It's through Facebook. I found her through Facebook, and I had to get it. Bella Art De Nicole. And she had 2, actually it was 3 colors, but I desperately wanted these 2. And so I couldn't, at the time I ordered it, I didn't have any crafting money. I couldn't order her special, Black Friday special, but I loved this green. It's kind of looking like blue, but it's this beautiful green color, and then this rose gold. I had to get it, and I love how you can stack them. So this is considered a large, and then these are the 2 smalls, and this is a set. She sells them individually, or she sells them as a set, and you don't get a lid with the set, but you can buy a large lid and an add-on, and they just set right in here. What I love are these little minis. I use these minis. I have one set that's all white, and now I have this set. And she rotates colors based on the inventory that comes in. I love that they sit right in here. You could be working on 3 colors. You can sit it there and walk away. You guys have noticed me using the white ones, and you're always asking me where are the minis. Archer's Arts did a color similar to this for December 2019, and I didn't grab it, and I kicked myself since then. And so I had to get this, so I pulled money where I could and bought a set because I wanted some of the rose gold and some of this beautiful green. So check them out. I have the Etsy link down below, and she's doing sales and stuff. So if you, go to her Facebook page and become a member of her Facebook group, and she does sales, and that's great. So she is one of the 3 that I love. And then last one in here, this is JH Envision. And what I like is all these are different styles. So depending on my mood, depending on if it's round or square, depending on my color choices, I pick the company. So this one, if you remember, JH Envision is the one that you can personalize. So that's what I love about their company. So each one of these companies is slightly different. Woo. This, and then my receipt. And then, all right, so this is from Heather, and they give a little thank you. She has a little card, and then you have your receipt. These average anywhere from $10 to $14, depending on if you have them engraved. And I did not for these. I have two that I did, but I was like, I can either get one personalized because of my budget, or I can get two colors. And I loved these colors. Now this pink, she no longer has. I was one of the last ones that received it. What I love is it's got the little covering. She always sends it with the stopper. And then you've got blank here, so your drills push down, and this is in the middle instead of on the side. Archer's has it on the side, this one has it in the middle. And then this is rose gold. I'm just in a rose gold mood. I purchased this one before the Bella one and had not opened it, but when I saw Bella's, I'm like, I'm just in a rose gold mood. So this is the rose gold. It doesn't pick up so well on camera, but is absolutely gorgeous. Let me see if adding some white. The camera makes it more orangey feeling, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And so I have, must have been on a pink run, because I got red, pink, and pink. Anyway, super excited. These three companies, 5 stars for both of them. Great customer service, really great pricing for small business, for excellent quality, and I'm super excited for you to check them out. All the links are down below, and I hope that you have an amazing time diamond painting. So until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.